I've been painting murals for about 7 years all over the world, and it kind of all stemmed back from being young, growing up in Latin America and being inspired by muralists like Diego Rivera, Siqueiros, Orozco. With this mural, I'm kind of reconnecting with that original inspiration from those Mexican muralists, and particularly thinking about a university like as an institution of learning, but also as a place to potentially bring young people together in a progressive way. And so this mural kind of stems from going back to like the old school idea of what murals do in terms of activating a space, and was inspired by the murals at UNAM in Mexico City. And I'm trying to look deeper into creating this visual essay with information that really can depend on who you are as a subject position, but also is very contextually specific to a place and its history. The opportunity to bring it to the U of A and to work with the U of A in that sense all worked out perfectly. So the mural is talking about Arizona, it's talking about Southern Arizona, it's talking about the Southwest, it's talking about Tucson, and I like to think of this mural in particular as the floor plans of a place.